Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Duolingo app. Then this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update in this plus sign, you can update your app. And if it's not working with you this first step, you can go to uninstall and you can install again your app to fix that problem you have on Duolingo app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.